Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M479FDN. This printer is multifunctional printer, is multi-task. This printer is for big office, can be used for 10 people. It's multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, print and fax with this printer. You can scan to Microsoft SharePoint, Dropbox and more. You can scan to email, single pass, two-sided scanning, print fast and face page out. This printer, in terms of the printing speed, 28 print per minute for black and 28 print per minute for color. This printer is using ink toner 415A or 415X. 415A, you can print up to 2,400 pages for black and 1,200 pages for color if you are using 415A toner. If you are using 415X, then it's bigger. X is meant for extra. Then you can print up to 6,000 pages color and 7,500 pages black. Now I want to show you how to load paper, specific paper you want to use. Okay, you just need to open up this casket here. This is casket. Open it up. Now to load particular paper, I want to show you how to load A4 paper and also photo papers as well. So to load A4 paper, this casket, you can adjust it accordingly by just holding it, okay, for you to adjust it. And if you want to extend it, you need to press this to extend it. Okay, now to load photo paper, for instance, I got photo paper here I want us to use as example, and this is 5x7 photo paper. Okay, 5x7 photo paper. So you stick the photo paper here. Now bring the holders together to the side. So use the left one, bring it together. Okay, then bring the bottom one closer. Okay, this is 5x7 photo paper. This is how to load this paper. Okay, this is 5x7. The next is 4x6. So this 4x6 photo paper. Okay, so you go in, so you can load photo, specific photo you want to use. Okay, this is 4x6. Then bring this. This is how to load 4x6 photo paper, and this will print the photo for you. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to load. So you just need to extend this and bring it to the side. Now to load A4 paper, this is A4. So you go in. This is A4 paper. Okay, so you can load various size. You can see B5, 11 and A4. So you just need to adjust it accordingly. Okay, so now this is A4 paper. Okay, this is A4 paper we loaded here. You can see what it looks like and how it's loaded. Okay, make sure it's decent amount. Then you go in. Okay, so this is how to load specific paper you want to use, and this printer is using ink toner 415A or 415 extra. In terms of the printing speed, 28 print per minute for black and 28 print for color. This printer, if you are using ink toner 415A, you can print up to 1,200 page for color and 2,400 pages for black. If you are using 415X ink, you can print 7,500 for black and 6,000 for color. I'm going to show you how to replace or check the toner. You press this button here. Okay, there's a button by the side. You need to press it. So press this button for this printer to open. Okay, once you press it, it will open. Okay, then you open it up, okay, and bring this out for you to check toner. Okay, so and you can see what the toner looks like. So this is 415A. Okay, and this, the first one is black, the second one is cyan, is light blue, this one is magenta, and this is yellow. Okay, so you look, the particular one you want to change, the number is here. You can also see the sticker. Okay, you can see this is showing us scale. This one is black color, okay, and this is cyan C. If you open it up, it will show you this is cyan, and this is magenta M. You can see, so you keep an eye on the color here, and this is yellow. If you open it up, it will show you. So this is actually how this, and you can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is actually how to replace this. You can replace single one. Just need to push it and close this. So this is how to replace the toner. Once you've done that, you just need to wait for a few minutes for this printer to set. Thank you very much indeed.